In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively leverage ChatGPT for various tasks that can help both your personal and professional life become more streamlined and cost-efficient. From cutting grocery costs with meal planning to building passive income streams, we'll explore 5 incredible ways to make the most of this powerful tool. Let's start with a practical solution to reduce your grocery expenses. Open ChatGPT and type in, "Create a 7-day meal plan using only canned tuna, rice, eggs, and vegetables. Include air fryer recipes and estimate total cost in PHP." What you'll receive is a complete meal plan crafted specifically around those ingredients, along with a handy grocery list and a cost estimate. This approach not only simplifies your shopping, but also ensures you stick to a budget by focusing on staple items that are both versatile and affordable. Plus, the inclusion of air fryer recipes means you're opting for a lower-calorie cooking method without sacrificing flavor or texture. Next, if you're looking to replace expensive SEO tools, ChatGPT can come in handy. Simply paste your blog post into ChatGPT and request, "Analyze this post for keyword density, readability, and structure. Suggest long-tail keywords and generate FAQ schema in JSON LD." In no time, you'll receive a detailed analysis that offers insights into how your content can be optimized for search engines, effectively allowing you to gain insights without needing to invest in costly software like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Moving on to digital product creation. Perhaps you've got ideas brewing, but aren't sure where to start. Ask ChatGPT, "Help me create a digital product based on my skills in gaming and web restoration. Suggest formats, write landing page copy, and generate a 5-email launch sequence." This way, you're not just getting suggestions for products, but also comprehensive guidance on launching them successfully. It's like having a team of marketers and copywriters without the associated costs. If you have aspirations of starting a side hustle, yet are hesitant to spend money up front, lean on ChatGPT to get started. You can request, "Give me 3 beginner-friendly ways to make money online using only free tools. Include step-by-step instructions and platforms I can use." This approach offers you monetization ideas that require little to no initial investment, paving the way to potentially earn without financial risk. Finally, for those interested in building passive income, ask ChatGPT, "Help me build a scalable passive income stream using affiliate marketing. Create a content calendar, email funnel, and SEO strategy." This guidance will aid you in developing a structured plan that not only supports your affiliate marketing efforts, but also scales over time. With these strategies, you can make tangible progress towards reducing costs, optimizing workflows, and perhaps even establishing new revenue streams, all from the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips both enlightening and empowering. Until next time.